9,000 suspected opioid overdoses last year.
In 85% of those cases, they had to use Narcan. That's a nasal spray that can reverse an overdose and save lives. Now there's a new EpiPen-style tool that has recently been approved.
Team 12's Rachel Cole tells us this morning a man who has battled addiction is hoping it helps others.
I was injecting meth and heroin along with smoking heroin. And when that wasn't available, I turned to fentanyl.
Philip Ortega now on the road to recovery after battling.
I was around a lot of people that were in that type of lifestyle, and it became available to me, from one of the guys at work.
With easy access to opioids, Ortega never really considering kicking the habit until the high was no longer worth the costs.
It scared me because it took me to a place where all I cared about was just was getting high.
The father of two taking a hard look in the mirror after his most recent arrest in April, now seeking help through Soul Surgery, the first addiction treatment center in Arizona to integrate Zimhi pens into their recovery programs.
This particular medication, it's a larger dose than conventional naloxone. It's easier to get into somebody. It's going to get to therapeutic blood level faster. It's going to last longer. It's going to save more lives, particularly when fentanyl is involved.
More than 5 people die every day from opioid overdoses in our state, according to the Department of Health Services. Dr. Ravi Chandiramani saying that's why having this tool is vital.
On average, it's going to take a first responder 6 or 7 minutes to get to an individual that's overdosing. Right? Every second counts. And all it takes is one time using this dangerous substance for you to die.
Opioid dependence is a really large topic, and substance abuse and addiction, it's a large topic that we're seeing more and more of.
Family physician Dr. Natasha Buyan applauding any and all life-saving medications, but warning that Zimhi can pack a punch, plus it's pricey and less accessible.
With Zimhi, because it is at higher doses than we traditionally use, about 12 times higher than what we traditionally use, what that means is that people can have more severe withdrawal symptoms.
Ortega is glad more life-saving options are available because a lot of people dealing with addiction have a wake-up call that gets them back on the right track in life.
It wasn't that I got arrested, it was that I got rescued. The way them cops got me, and they did for me what I could not do for myself.
Rachel Cole, 12 News.
There is help right here in the Valley. If you need some suggestions of resources, you can find it at the free 12 News app.
And ahead on 12 News today in AZ.